Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a delicious and vital topic, fruits and vegetables. Specifically, we'll explore the best fruits and vegetables to help you lose weight, reverse aging, and even fight cancer. If you're ready to add some healthy sweetness and crunch to your life, stay tuned. Fruits and vegetables are not just tasty, they are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are naturally low in calories and high in fiber, making them perfect for weight loss. Eating fruits and vegetables can help keep you full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy options. Plus, they provide essential nutrients that support overall health and vitality. It's fascinating to consider how what we eat can act as our medicine. Studies suggest that our diet can account for a significant portion of cancer risk, up to 30 to 35%. Many of us might be unknowingly forming microscopic cancers in our bodies. This highlights the importance of choosing the right foods. Let's kick things off with some of the best fruits for shedding those extra pounds. Here are some fantastic options that are not just tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Berries are a delicious way to satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. They're low in calories but high in fiber, which helps control hunger. Imagine tossing a handful of strawberries or blueberries into your morning smoothie. Not only do they add natural sweetness, but they also provide a wealth of antioxidants that can help fight inflammation and support your overall health. Try making a berry smoothie bowl. Blend a cup of mixed berries with a banana and a splash of almond milk until smooth. Pour it into a bowl and top it with sliced bananas, granola, and a drizzle of honey. This makes for a refreshing breakfast or snack that's loaded with nutrients. An apple a day really does keep the doctor away. These crunchy fruits are not only tasty, but also filling. They contain a type of fiber called pectin, which helps you feel full longer and supports your metabolism. Apples are perfect for a quick snack. Slice an apple and pair it with a tablespoon of almond butter for a satisfying snack that combines fiber and healthy fats. This will keep you energized and curb those mid-afternoon cravings. Watermelon is the quintessential summer fruit, perfect for hot days. It's low in calories and high in water content, making it great for hydration and weight loss. Imagine enjoying a bowl of fresh watermelon cubes on a sunny afternoon. Make a refreshing watermelon salad by mixing diced watermelon with feta cheese, fresh mint, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. This simple dish is not only delicious, but also a great way to impress your friends at summer barbecues. Grapefruit has earned a reputation as a weight loss fruit, and for good reason. It's been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, helping regulate blood sugar levels. Slicing a grapefruit in half and sprinkling a little cinnamon on top can make for a delightful breakfast. If you find grapefruit too tart, try pairing it with a small amount of honey or mixing it into a smoothie with some spinach and bananas for a balanced flavor. While technically a fruit, avocados are a nutritional powerhouse. They are rich in healthy fats, which can help keep you satiated. They also contain a variety of vitamins and minerals that are great for your body. Imagine spreading creamy avocado on your toast in the morning. To make a delicious avocado toast, mash half an avocado with a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Spread it on whole grain bread and top it with a poached egg for a filling breakfast that's packed with nutrients. Now let's transition to the fruits that can help reverse the signs of aging. These fruits not only taste great, but also offer substantial health benefits. Pomegranates are not just visually stunning, they are also loaded with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and promote healthy blood flow. Think of adding pomegranate seeds to your salads for a burst of flavor and crunch. Try mixing pomegranate seeds into your morning yogurt or oatmeal. This adds a beautiful color and a deliciously sweet tart flavor that can elevate your breakfast. Oranges are high in vitamin C, crucial for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. Have you ever tried making fresh orange juice at home? The taste is far superior to store-bought juice, and you get all the nutrients without any added sugars. A refreshing way to enjoy oranges is to slice them and toss them in a salad. Combine mixed greens, orange slices, walnuts, and a light vinaigrette for a refreshing and nutrient-packed dish. Papaya is rich in enzymes that aid digestion and combat oxidative stress. It's an incredible choice for those looking to improve their skin texture and elasticity. You can blend papaya into smoothies or simply enjoy it sliced with a squeeze of lime for a tropical treat. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding papaya to your salsa for a unique twist. Kiwi fruit is a fantastic fruit for longevity. Just one kiwi a day can help protect your DNA from damage. They're sweet, tangy, and can easily be added to smoothies or eaten as a snack. Try making a kiwi salsa by chopping kiwis, red onion, jalapeno, and cilantro. This fresh salsa can be a great topping for fish tacos or grilled chicken, adding a refreshing kick. Raisins are often overlooked but are packed with nutrients. They support digestion and heart health thanks to their rich potassium content. Add raisins to your trail mix or oatmeal for a natural sweetness that satisfies your cravings without resorting to candy. Now that we've covered some fantastic fruits for health, let's tackle a common question. Is fruit bad for weight loss? Many people wonder if they should cut out fruits when trying to lose weight due to the sugar content. First and foremost, it's essential to remember that weight loss is primarily driven by creating a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you consume. It's the laws of thermodynamics at work. You can still lose weight while enjoying fruits, as long as you maintain a balanced diet. Some may worry that the sugars in fruit will spike blood sugar levels and inhibit fat burning. However, if you're burning more calories than you ingest, even if you experience a small spike in blood sugar, you're likely to be okay. People have successfully followed fruitarian diets, consuming large quantities of fruit and still losing weight. This is because fruits are generally low in calories compared to other foods. For example, a whole pound of blackberries has around 200 calories. You'd need to eat an immense amount of fruit to exceed your daily caloric needs. Fruits are nutrient-dense, meaning they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals. For instance, blueberries contain unique compounds that can improve memory and help fight diseases like Alzheimer's. The key takeaway is that fruit doesn't have to be eliminated from your diet to lose weight. Including some fruits in moderation can be beneficial and satisfying. Now, let's not forget about vegetables. Just like fruits, they play a crucial role in our diet and can aid in weight loss, anti-aging, and overall health. Here are some of the best vegetables to include. Leafy greens are low in calories and high in nutrients. They are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with fiber that helps you feel full. Imagine adding a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie or sautéing kale as a side dish for dinner. Make a big salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and a light vinaigrette for a nutritious meal that's low in calories but high in satisfaction. These vegetables are known for their cancer-fighting properties and high fiber content. Roasting or steaming them brings out their natural flavors. Try roasting broccoli with a drizzle of olive oil and garlic. It makes for a delicious side that pairs well with almost any meal. Bell peppers are not only colorful, but also packed with vitamins, especially vitamin C. They are versatile and can be eaten raw, roasted, or stuffed. Slice bell peppers and dip them in hummus for a healthy snack. This combination provides fiber and protein to keep you full. Zucchini is low in calories and can be used in various dishes. It's great for making zoodles or zucchini noodles as a healthy alternative to pasta. Spiralize zucchini and toss it with marinara sauce and veggies for a delightful and low-carb meal. Carrots are crunchy and naturally sweet, making them a satisfying snack. They are high in beta-carotene, which is good for eye health. Enjoy baby carrots with a light ranch dip, or toss shredded carrots into a salad for added crunch. Now, let's explore some of the healthiest vegetables that you should include in your diet. Garlic is renowned for its medicinal properties and is packed with a compound called allicin, which is known for its health benefits. Including garlic in your meals not only enhances flavor, but also boosts your immune system. Use fresh garlic in your cooking to maximize its benefits, whether in soups, stir-fries, or roasted dishes. Onions contain sulfur compounds and are great for overall health. They can support your immune system and add flavor to a variety of dishes. Sauté onions as a base for sauces or soups to add depth to your meals. Brussels sprouts help support liver health and are known for their antioxidant properties. Roast Brussels sprouts with olive oil and balsamic vinegar for a delightful side dish that pairs well with any protein. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, tomatoes can be enjoyed raw in salads or cooked in sauces. Incorporate tomatoes into your meals, whether in fresh salads, soups, or as a base for sauces. Cabbage is incredibly versatile and affordable, making it a staple in many diets. It's high in vitamin C and can be used in salads or stir-fries. Make a simple coleslaw with shredded cabbage carrots and a light dressing for a crunchy side dish. Incorporating these fruits and vegetables into your diet can yield fantastic health benefits. They can help you lose weight, reverse aging, and even fight cancer. By adding variety to your meals with these colorful fruits and vegetables, you can enjoy delicious flavors while nourishing your body. Remember, food is medicine, and the choices you make every day can significantly impact your health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. What's your favorite fruit or vegetable? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and welcome to the vegan family. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, strategies, and insights into living a healthier life. I upload new videos regularly, so hit the notification bell to stay updated. And as always, feel free to leave your questions or success stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.